Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another getting dressed with me video. Finally, I feel like it's been forever. So I have an interview today, Herpreneur virtual book tour, and I'm getting dressed for this interview. And I'm going to try for the first time to use magnetic eyelashes. I've never even worn fake eyelashes. So you're going to witness something great or an epic failure. Let's go. Okay, it's time for my favorite, absolute favorite edge control. It does wonders for my edges. So I just kind of put it on. I rub it on both sides of my edges just to try to tame them because they just get out of control really quickly. And then I grab my edge brush and I just kind of swoop it around. I don't really have like a special style. I just try to make it look as neat as possible. And I do that on both sides. And then I use the Got to Be Glued and I just go over it again with that, just for that extra security and extra hold because I'm doing an interview. And I tend to sweat anyways, but especially if I'm nervous, I sweat even more. And the last thing I want on camera is for my edges to just be sticking straight out. So Got to Be Glued to the rescue. And then I just grab my scarf and tie it down after that's done. Now you see I am washing my face. I use the Mary Kay cleanser. It's my absolute favorite cleanser. It leaves my face feeling so just clean and smooth. And I do that for about a minute with my brush. And then I'll just wash that off and get started on my makeup. Okay, so I'm ready to try to do something to my eyebrows. If you subscribe to my channel, you already know my struggle. So I'm just using my razor and I'm just cleaning up some of the hair underneath my eyebrows. And it grows so quickly. I feel like I do this at least 2 to 3 times a week. So I'm using my eyebrow pencil that I got from the dollar store, Dollar General. It's called LA Colors. It's the dark brown color, and I'm just filling in my brows in the places that need it, basically. Y'all already know I just be freestyling here because the struggle is real. All right, so here I just put some concealer underneath my brow and I'm just blending it in the best that I can, just trying to rub it in. And do you guys see that huge zit? Oh my gosh, like it never fails. If I have something important to do, you better believe something is going on with my face. But anyways, I am using a new palette on my eyes. It's Wet n Wild, and it's like a pink, a bright color. I'm really starting to like pink for eyeshadow. So I got it from Target, of course. So I'm just putting that on and blending that in the best that I can. So guys, here it is. I'm trying out magnetic eyelashes. So I'm putting on the eyeliner and I did pretty good with it because I'm really not the greatest with liquid eyeliner. So I put it on 3 times according to the box. I did that on both eyes and there's that zit again. Hello. Okay, so you put that on and you let it dry completely. I let it dry for about 2 minutes. So I am here struggling, as you can see, to put this eyelash on. So I've seen people, they use like tweezers and I couldn't find my tweezers. So I was literally using my hand and just trying to get it on, and it just is not working. So the eyelashes were indeed an epic fail. I'm going to put on the Falsies mascara, finish getting dressed, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm ready. That was a tragedy. Let me just tell you. So I took those magnetic eyelashes off. I used Maybelline the Falsies mascara and I just put on my regular eyeliner. I'm ready, barely. logging in 10 minutes prior, ready for this interview. I want to thank you guys so much for getting ready with me today. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have some really cool content coming for you guys soon. I will see you next time. I'm getting ready for my interview. Wish me luck. Peace.